How to fix Doordash login error problem? So let's see in this video. The login error problem can be due to various factors. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to strong Wi-Fi. If it is connected to strong Wi-Fi or cellular data, and that's okay. The another factor may be due to the late version of the app. So go to your Play Store app and search for the Doordash and see whether any updates are available or not. If any updates are available, tap on update option and update the app to use the latest features. Your problem will be fixed if you update the app. But if you are still unable to fix, then go back to the home page and uninstall the app and reinstall it. After doing this, you will be able to fix this problem, and by following this simple step you can fix your Doordash login problem. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end. First of all, open up your Facebook, and here in the right upper corner you can see the profile icon with 3 bars. Tap on that. After that, scroll down and see for the settings and privacy option. After that, tap on the settings option and tap on the security and login option. And here you can see the change password option. Tap on that. So here, in order to change your password, you have to insert your current password and retype your new password. Make sure to enter your correct current password, which will allow you to retype your new password. After that, you can update your password and change your password easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topic, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope to see you guys in the next tutorial video.